How to disable multiple desktops on Mac. If you don't want macOS to automatically create or switch between multiple spaces or virtual desktops, here's how you can manage this setting. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner. Next, select System Settings. Scroll down and click Desktop and Dock. Now, scroll down to the Mission Control section. Look for the option Automatically Rearrange Spaces based on most recent use. Turn this option off. This prevents macOS from automatically changing the order of your spaces based on which desktop you use most recently. If you want to stop creating additional desktops, press Ctrl+Up arrow to open Mission Control. At the top of the screen, you'll see your available spaces, such as Desktop 1 and Desktop 2. Move your pointer to the top of the screen and click the X on any extra desktop you don't need. You can repeat this for each additional space until only your main desktop remains. Keep in mind that macOS doesn't have a single setting that completely disables the Spaces or Virtual Desktop feature. You can remove extra spaces and turn off automatic space rearranging, but Mission Control and Spaces remain part of macOS. And that's it. This is how you can remove multiple desktops and stop macOS from automatically rearranging your spaces. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.